The Zhengbu K6F is not just an electric bike. It's a masterclass in engineering and design. Imagine a bike with a swappable battery for seamless power, a foldable frame that tucks into the back of a sedan, and advanced suspension ready for off-road adventures. And ability to climb stairs make it a versatile companion. Its puncture-proof tires, precise braking system, lightweight yet tough, it's built to handle rugged terrains and urban commutes with equal flair, making it an unstoppable force on two wheels. Under the hood, the K6F packs a 1000W motor, delivering top speeds of 30 miles per hour and conquering steep inclines effortlessly. The 48V25, a removable Samsung battery, perfect for day-long adventures or daily commutes. Its dual hydraulic brakes ensure precise stopping, even on tricky surfaces. Fat 20-inch x 4.0 tires provide excellent traction and stability, while the Shimano 8-speed transmission adapts seamlessly to any terrain. Add to this a clear LCD display showing speed, battery life, and distance, plus integrated LED lighting for night rides, and you have a bike that's truly ready for anything. From snow-covered trails to city streets, the K6F thrives in every environment. Its compact design allows for easy storage and portability, while its sturdy magnesium alloy frame guarantees durability. The versatility of 3 riding modes, electric, pedal assist, and manual, means there's a setting for every journey. Whether you're an off-road explorer or a city commuter, the Zhengbu K6F redefines what an electric bike can be. The Zhengbu K6F isn't just a tool for transport. It's a gateway to adventure and convenience. Its standout features, like a battery you can swap in seconds and a compact, foldable design, embody versatility. The ability to store it effortlessly in a car or a tight urban space makes it perfect for commuters and explorers alike. Add to that its advanced suspension system and puncture-proof tires, and you've got a bike that's prepared for the unexpected, offering smooth rides over rugged trails, stairs, or city streets. Its powerful 1000W motor doesn't just ensure speed. It empowers you to tackle steep hills and uneven terrain with ease. The high-capacity 48V Samsung battery delivers a range of up to 60 miles, ensuring you can ride longer and worry less about recharging. The 3 riding modes, electric, assist, and manual, allow you to tailor the experience to your needs, whether you're conquering a mountain trail or cruising through the city. With precise hydraulic brakes, safety is always a priority, even in challenging conditions. Riding comfort is redefined with its dual shock absorbers that soak up the bumps and jolts, while the wide 20-inch x 4.0 fat tires provide exceptional stability on snow, sand, and gravel. The lightweight magnesium alloy frame combines durability with portability, creating a bike that's as robust as it is easy to manage. Plus, the intuitive LCD display keeps all the vital stats at your fingertips: speed, battery level, and distance traveled,